Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of a stock market. So I am here with the stock which has posted good Q4 results, and I have selected this stock because it is on its good buying zone also available right now, and it is fundamentally very strong. So I will discuss its Q4 results along with its fundamental and buying level for long term, of course. So if you want to know the name of the stock and buying level, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular update of Nifty and index levels and these kind of stocks buying level for long term. So let's start with the name of the stock. I have selected, that is Havells. Havells has posted its Q4 results and that was fantastic results. I will discuss the result, but before that let me tell you about the company. Company is from FMEG sector, yes, from the fast moving electrical good sector, and this is actually very top. This is actually top company from this sector, and this manufactures the cables, electrical goods and lightning fixtures and all that. So here is its Q4 results. The profit is 448.9 is 449 crore, which was in last year 362 crore. Means from 362 to it has become 449, which is 24.1%, around 24% jump in profit. Revenue is 5,434 crore, which was in last year 4,850 crore, and the jump is 12.1, means around 12% jump in revenue, and it all is Y on Y discussion. EBITDA is 636.8 around crore, and it was in last year 531. So 531 to 637 crore is the 20% jump in EBITDA. The main thing, margin has become 11.7% from the 10.9%. So it is actually around 80 bps का jump है. So overall this was short information. You can go through the detail in their website, and if you see, they have actually beaten up the all estimation also from the CNBC and जो बाकी के expectation थे, it has beaten up the that also, और सारे estimation को इसने क्रॉस कर दिया. So overall result is fantastic. So now I go to the fundamental and I will keep the fact. You can see in front of you the fact of this company and you can study also. So the market cap of this company is 1,06,160 crore. इस कंपनी का मार्केट कैप इतना बड़ा है, तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि अपने सेक्टर की टॉप कंपनी है. दिस इज टॉप कंपनी ऑफ द FMEG सेक्टर. एंड हाँ, इसके कंपटीटर एक पॉलीकैब बहुत अच्छा कंपटीटर है. इट इज द पॉलीकैब इज आल्सो डूइंग वेरी गुड, बट आई हैव नॉट सेलेक्टेड दैट स्टॉक बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट पोस्टेड देयर रिजल्ट टिल नाउ, एंड दैट स्टॉक आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर ऑल्सो. I think in last 6 months I have discussed, so I thought to take this stock as it is on its buying level also. So market cap is 1,06,160 crore and stock PE is 83.5. So as if I see stock PE, तो स्टॉक पी के हिसाब से मुझे एज इंडस्ट्री पी 65.2 है, तो उस हिसाब से ये, एंड मीडियन पी के अकॉर्डिंग टू मीडियन पी ऑल्सो इट लुक्स ओवर वैल्यूड. यस, तो it has run up also little bit. So stock P is looking little bit high, and it is looking, yes, definitely it is looking little bit overvalued. But if you go to dividend yield, dividend is also not that good, 0.45%, and ROC is very good, 24% return on their capital employed here. If we see ROE, return on equity is 18.1%, which is actually I find very good. EPS is 20.3, and this is almost debt-free company. So this is the important thing we should check in fundamental, that company is not having any kind of debt, it should be negligible. So debt to equity is 0.04, means debt is company pay. That means no debt on this company. Profit growth is good, 18.6%. और अगर हम कंपेयर करें इंडस्ट्री से बुक वैल्यू से, तो 14.2 इसका प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू है, विच ऑल्सो शोज कि दिस कंपनी इज लिटिल बिट ओवर वैल्यूड. सो दिस वाज ओवरऑल फंडामेंटल which looks good. You can study more and then you can go for your decision. Now I'll discuss the buying. So I have come on the technical chart, and I will tell you and I will prove you why I am taking this stock and why I have selected this stock to tell you all that this is the good and right time to buy this stock. See, I have taken the weekly chart, and if you see, this was a important resistance very long time, I think since 18th October 2021 से लेके from this year which is going on 2024, it was consolidating in this zone only, which was which was the level of 1500. So 1500 was a very strong level for this stock, which stock has broken very recently. Yes, see here on date, if I'll say date 24 February 24, end of February 24, it has broken this resistance, long time resistance, and now it has come in a very good strength. But after that it has fallen also till here, and you see it is making a very good flag pattern, and this flag pattern from breaking here again it has broken this flag pattern, and this is a clear cut breakout already happened. Yes, breakout already happened. Only chance to buy if it's coming back, falling back and retesting this level, then you can go for that. Not here, not at this level. You don't have to buy on this level. You have to wait if this stock is coming, and it will definitely come. That does not mean कि ऐसे ही भागता जाएगा. No, it will definitely take some rest. It will definitely come here. You have to watch it. You have to keep this stock in your watch list, and you have to see if it's falling down little bit and coming at this around this level, which is 1500 to, means I can say 1600. This 1600 is a very important level. If it's coming here, or even if it's breaking this level also, so this support is very strong support. Yes, this 1500 is very strong support. Now it has become the strong support. So you have to wait and watch, and then you have to decide कि you have to enter in this stock or not. But not here, definitely not here. अभी ये काफी run up कर चुका है. So this pattern already has been broken by this stock, and yeah, definitely you have to wait for the levels I am telling. And the good level to buy this stock can be 1500 to 1600. For the target of 1880, buying zone for Havel can be 1500 to 1600. for the recent target of 1880 and even more than that. As you all know, I always talk about the long term. So 1880 is not long term target. Definitely it will come soon, but I'm always talking about long term, so you have to even hold this stock for more returns. So this was overall short analysis of Havells, and I have even discussed more good stock for the long term. I have given the link and the end screen में भी मैं वीडियो दे दूंगी. You should definitely go through those stock for the buying for long term. And yes, if you want to ask any question regarding any stock you are holding or any Nifty and index level, comment me in a comment box below or DM me also on Instagram and Twitter. The ID is on your screen. And just like and share this video for more reach, and subscribe the channel for the regular update of Nifty and index levels and good fundamentally strong stocks levels for the long term. Signing off.